Bunnex investment group. This channel was made for traders by traders, everyone who loves finance and investment. Today we bring you a way to make an investment with a potential spin of $100 to $5,000. The good news is we are going to tell you how you can do this simple trick. But before we jump into the whole video, be sure to check out our free signals Telegram channel. The link is right in the description below. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell icon. So you are probably asking yourself, why investment? Is it important for you? Well, here's the short answer. Investment is important, if not crucial, to make your money work for you. You work hard for your money, and your money should work hard for you. Not investing or not doing it properly can mean a longer working life. When taking investing seriously, the returns generated from your investments can provide financial stability in the future. So investing is also sometimes mixed up with savings, which is basically storing your money. Here we are going to talk about a method where your money can grow. So, where are we going to invest this $100? Here we need something that does not require our effort, our time, or work. We are going to inject this $100 and let it work for us. That place is the crypto. But before you go away thinking that this video is one of those scammers online, check how this method works and how transparent it is. So, what we are basically going to do is we are going to get a cryptocurrency that is on a long-term rise, cheaper and easy to get. So what is the cryptocurrency that we are going to buy? We will use the Ethereum, and here are the few reasons. According to cryptorium.com, 5 years from now, the Ethereum, and actually now we are referring to 2020, the Ethereum network is expected to be widely used across the world for multiple purposes. For ETH, this means one thing, and that thing is rising value. Ethereum is continuing to integrate and expand the reach of its partnerships. Hence, ETH may surpass 17,000 by 2025. So, this might not convince you, so we will need to analyze the ETH graph our market maker way. So let's go on the charts. So this is trading view chart of Ethereum against the US dollar, which we will use to buy the cryptocurrency. Since we are going to be trading, to be having a long-term investment on this cryptocurrency, we will analyze it on the monthly time frame. This is because we want to see the long-term trend of this cryptocurrency and how long it is going to rise. So we'll go on the monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame we can actually see that this cryptocurrency is actually following our market maker cycle. We started with consolidation, then after consolidation we actually made our 3 swipes to the high, the first one, the second one, then this was the reversal point. So it means that this point is actually our low of our cycle. So this is actually an initiation of our cycle, meaning that this is a peak formation low according to the market maker method. So after having a peak formation low, we are definitely going to have our 3 levels in the monthly time frame. That means we are going to have years of rise, up to the point where we have our 3rd level. So that point is definitely going to be a higher value than what it is today. So today this cryptocurrency is actually going for that's approximately $380 per coin, meaning that when this coin gets to 17,000 by 2025, how much would you have if you buy a fraction equivalent to $100 today? That is where we are coming from, that this is an investment with the potential of spinning your $100 to $5,000. You need to take this seriously if you have no other investments in your portfolio. So how do you buy this coin? I recommend Coinbase. It's actually the website is actually coinbase.com. This is one of those recommended websites, and it's 100% transparent. You can simply visit this site and exchange your US dollars in your credit card for the ETH. So this ETH will be simply sent to your wallet that they can actually help you to create, and that's it. Watch it every month as it grows. So it will be up to you to liquidate it back to US dollars whenever you want it. So after buying it, it's simply buy and hold, then sell at a later stage. This is basically the simplest investment that you can get. So on that note, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out our Free Signals Telegram channel. This is the link, and it is actually right in the description below.